Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is another video in the playlist of my big black days where I go out of my way and perform extraordinarily bad, and these are the days I make a video and record myself that so that I don't repeat the mistakes again. So starting today was one of those days. Today is 2nd August 2023, and today I incurred a loss of 5,000, which happens to be my total profit of last 3-4 days. And this has been very infuriating. Uh, Although after many days, this loss I would not blame on my ability to trade. This was more of a loss which was as a result of lack of learning, I can call, although it has happened before. But I forgot about this thing, and volatility crash, and it happened today. So I'll tell you exactly what happened. The market opened, and the first candle you can see was a big candle. If we go on a 1 minute time frame, because the main loss where my loss really happened, it was less than 1 minute. So candle opened, and my expectation was that I'll take this trade, and the target on the upside was open, and this was quite a healthy trade. If you can see the target which it has achieved. But if I go on to show you my not my but the options chart, there is this huge volatility crash. I entered somewhere around over here, around 220, between 225 to 220. I clearly remember. I entered somewhere around here. The order did not execute for at least 5-6 seconds, and it got executed at 257, which happens to be at the exact top. And as soon as the order got executed, the price was down to 36, and before I could know, it was down. So I'll show you the order as well. I entered, and I have already explained why I entered this trade, but for the sake of it, I'll explain it again over in this video as well. You can see here is one strong reversal zone, and the price opened direct this place and started moving up aggressively. So market is an uptrend, and it is retracing. Below this zone was a strong selling. I don't know why it's not marked. Below this level was a strong selling zone, but the market opened below and started aggressively moving up. So I also started buying in. I thought that the market will take support and it will go one way upside. It has happened before, and this is the exact setup where it happens. Market opens a big gap down and then starts moving towards to fill the gap, and then even more upwards. It was a trade. You can see over here what the options did to me. First three options kept on decreasing, and if you'll see chart, the first 3 minutes the price was increasing, but not the chart. So this was a huge learning for me. This was very bad. This led to 3,500 rupee loss. The reason was volatility crash, and because of that, my whole mindset got totally shattered. Once you lose 3-4 days of profits, and I have not been, not been a veteran trader, or you can say I have been trading since last 3.5 years, but constant profitability is. So because of that, I couldn't trade, and I really lost at that point of time. Then I took this trade. Although I was in a dilemma where to trade or not to trade, I took this trade. The price was unable to go up, and the reason this trade was also because of Nifty. Nifty was quite weak in the morning, and it started, and it broke this trend line and closed below it. It was an important trend line which was coming since a long way, and I thought that it might go down. So I took. As the price was about to close, and I would have exited as soon as the price SL was small SL. Even while entering, my fucked up, and because of this, my second trade we are talking about. Because of this, I started doing was I started looking at and other sources where there are other traders whom I follow, and I started looking at that, what are they doing, and because of that I incurred loss. Conviction in the trade got totally shattered. Then again I started looking at Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty. All these were going top and trying to break high. ICICI was fine. SBI is going and breaking the high. So these guys really loosened my you can say my confidence in Bank Nifty, and I exited it. So this thing is very sad for me, and as soon as I exited the trade, I exited in 05. Yes, as soon as the candle was about to close, and From there on, the price started moving a direction and it went huge profits, extremely huge profits throughout the day. This was very bad for me. I couldn't do anything. And because of this, I incurred the loss of 1570 rupees. This was the maximum loss that I would have taken in the trade, empty quantities. And the market reversed right from over there. So just if I would not have had taken this trade, sorry, the first trade today, just imagine how much money I would have made. All these days, 4 days, I have been very disciplined, not practicing it, but trading, managing my quantity, doing everything I can. Even today morning, my quantity was well managed. I could have entered extremely huge quantity, like or something like that. I just entered 60 quantity because this was a very profitable trade. Generally, it turns out to be a very profitable trade. But the volatility to me, the first minute I'll never ever trade in option buying. Option buying is not the first minute. At least first 5 minutes, and definitely not first minute. First 5 minutes is very dangerous. This is I should never do it again. Secondly, if I should have fixed my daily quota of profit and loss, I should not have been thinking over there whether I should be. It was such a good day to trade. It was perfect. The perfect price came down, retraced a bit over to some short with very huge quantities. In fact, there were ample opportunities to tell me that the price is going to break down even before breaking down, and I could have taken huge quantities over here and still not incurred 2k loss or not surpassed my daily loss limit. This was an opportunity not to be missed today, and because of my first loss, such a heavy loss, I was psychologically thrown out. I didn't even get the time to react what is happening over here. I just managed to exit my positions anyhow. That was my thinking at that point of time. So never trade in the first 1 minute, 5 minutes. In fact, first 5 minutes, never trade in first 5 minutes. This is a rule which I will definitely stick by for considerable amount of time. Never trade in first 5 minutes. Definitely not in first 1 minute. 100%. So this is what happened. And the second trade I want to give two advices: that don't listen to other traders. Absolutely block them, each and every one of them, because when you are trading, when it's action time, I will be acting alone. I am a lone wolf and I want to act alone. Apart from, and the second point is, apart from critical turning points, do not give much importance to the chart of components. Believe in Bank Nifty chart, of course. Chart of components gives more importance to where you can exit from trade rather than where you can enter the trade. Exit is considerably more clearer on the components chart, but not the entry, definitely. And yeah, that's it.